Okay, this is the Wires X node setup at K8XG's a bit packed radio room. This is a Windows 7 PC. I found it to be more stable than Windows 10 on using Wires X. This is the display unit of the FTM 400. The FTM 400 is sitting on the Yazoo fan assembly. If you're using it in high power mode, the fan is a must as a standalone node. If you're laying the signals down at low or medium power onto a repeater, the fan isn't necessary. Incidentally, off to the side is the K8XG iGate and digipeater. And over here we have the HRI 200 and a TNC Pi on top of a Raspberry Pi that the iGate digipeater is hooked to. The Wires X software is installed and serial numbered to the HRI 200 serial number. It comes up and you have to configure it to the internet to use special ports. The firewall settings on Wires X are absolutely critical, and unlike DV4 minis or OpenSpots or other plug-in units like DV Megas, you have to have all your ports set and do port setting. You must have control over the firewall and be able to open the ports, or you won't get these OKs. That makes it a little bit hard to set up at a repeater site. So what we usually do is what we call RF linking. Here at the K8XG node, I have the transceiver set and pointed to currently 444-650 with a positive offset. KBYVY fret frequency. There are spare test repeaters on that in my workshop. To test with the TMRA repeater, I'm going to change that to 442-850. With it now set on TMRA's 442-850 frequency, you can see that it's connected to AmericaLink. Here there is a list of all nodes and repeaters that are installed and connected to AmericaLink, and the green items are currently nodes and repeaters active and transmitting. The on-air indication that you saw go on and off at the top of the screen is for the local node. That shows that the local node is now transmitting it into the TMRA's repeater. Shows a link of people that are talking, nodes connected, the people utilizing it. And there you can see the FTM 400 node setup.
It's the diabetes kicking in. Alright mate, I might speak to you later, okay? Okay, doing that. If you do sound a bit rough, I'll give you the benefit of the doubt, yeah. You know, mate, it's catching up with you. I mean, you have a good day, catch you soon. 6 KCA 30BMP.
Desktop, tablet, or smartphone. It's fast and friendly with no ads or distractions.
30BMP M6 KCA, standing by monitoring. Later, John, bye-bye.
After an explosive first battle, Clinton, Trump return to the stage just weeks before the election. Anderson Cooper moderates the...
Now that traffic has stopped on the channel, I'm going to attempt to do a Wires X connection to the node via the TMRA repeater. I press and held the Wires X button. Handshake packets go back and forth between the repeater and the node, showing that you are connected to the K8XG node and currently connected to AmericaLink. We can press that button, select all, tell it to transmit. It should send some packets back and forth. And there's a current list of rooms that we can connect through. Alabama link is my favorite link. And I can click that and double click it and tell it to connect. It says connected, and then I can return back.
W D9 inch.
See the mileage display on that particular unit? And we're connected to the Alabama link via the TMRA fusion repeater and the CADE XG node that is RF linking it to Wires X rooms.